today we'll see like how to create a project for the playwright. So initially we'll go with creating a normal console application, and going forward then we will see how to create a project for MS test project or any unit project. So let's start. First of all, let's start Visual Studio. Open my Visual Studio. Let me create a new project. Here let's start with console application. Then here I am using .NET 7.0. Continue. Let's demo project. Let me share in the desktop, somewhere in the desktop. Create new folder. Playwright project. Okay. Now the project has been created. This is a simple console application. So first for the playwright we need to first install its dependencies, NuGet package. On the solution explorer, right click on it and then go to manage NuGet packages. Here search for playwright. Here I will select add packages, and here it will ask you for the project. That's correct. Then now Microsoft Playwright has successfully added. Here you can see the message. Now let's start. Like here we will see how to open a normal browser using Playwright. Okay, let's first create one instance of the Playwright. If we'll say Playwright, you can see like here there is an error. Let's import the package Playwright, which is present in Microsoft.playwright, and playwright dot create async. It will create an instance of the Playwright. I will explain in the future video why I am writing the await method. So here I can select Playwright instance. Once I got the Playwright instance, then I will go for creating a browser. So I will use this Playwright instance pw instance dot. Let's here you can see for if you want to play with the Chrome browser, you can you can select the Chromium, or else depending upon the browser which you want to play with, you can select the respective dependencies, Chromium or Safari Kit. Okay, so I have already made a video on this Chromium or Safari Kit. You can watch that video. So for now we will go for Chromium browser, and here I will select like launch async. So it will give me one instance of the Chromium browser. Okay, so I will see like var browser. Once I got the browser, then I need to get a page of that browser. So I will use this browser instance, browser dot new page async. We will discuss going forward. We will discuss what are the different new context async or browser schedule session async. We will discuss all about this. But for today, we will see how to launch a normal browser new page async. Okay, so here I created one page. So using this page, I will navigate to different pages. So let's say I will page dot go to. Here I will say like google.com. Okay, so by this line now this lines of code will help me to launch a Chrome browser, and then I will go to google.com site. Okay, so let me write in the console also, console.writeline my test case is over. Okay, so okay, now let's start this program and see if it is launching or not. Yeah, my test case is over, but we are not able to see the browser, right? So by default, if you'll go to the documentation of the Playwright, you will see the default behavior, like it will open in the headless mode. Okay, so if you want to open in the headed mode, like if you want to see the actual browser instance, how it is doing, so we can go to the launch async method. Here we will set an attribute. Here we will say headless equal to false. Okay, so now let's run it again. Yeah, it launched the browser. Okay, it just quickly finished. Let me write one line, console.read key. Okay, it will wait, so we can show, like we can see how the browser instance is getting opened. Yeah. Here you can see it opens the browser instance. Okay, so now once I click on the browser, let me enter it so that my test case is over. So the test cases got passed. In few cases, if the dependencies are not present on your machine, it may throw you like the browser is not present, or it will throw you one weird exception. So for the Mac you can go, or any Windows machine you can go, like npm install playwright. You can install this first, all the dependencies. It will add all the packages here, then you can run the test case. On Windows, in Windows I have observed this error earlier, so let me show you what error I have seen. So in the Windows also, whenever you will launch the, like when you will start the execution, it will throw you the exception, like unable to find the Chromium or a WebKit, something like that. So in the so if you will come here to this documentation page, using the PowerShell, you can directly install all the dependencies. Okay, so system dependencies can get installed automatically. This is useful for CA environments. So just open your command prompt in the Windows and directly copy paste this line. Okay, and hit enter. It will install all the dependencies, and then you will be able to successfully launch the browser on your machine. If it doesn't work, then please make sure you are in the command prompt, you are present in the solution or project folder, and hit this command. It will start working. Yeah, that's all.